Anyone who knows me will know I'm a massive Liverpool fan, so today I've come to Liverpool's amazing training ground in Melwood to meet Ireland's very own Denise O'Sullivan. I think there's more shirts in here than I can even count, but we're gonna try and find Denise's shirt in here. I don't even know where to begin. There's too many. Oh, here we go. Denise's actual shirt that she's gonna wear in a game. That's if she can find it. If there's one thing I love more than anything, it's football boots. And behind me is an entire wall of them. So we have all the numbers. I think Denise is number 6, so she's here. And these are the tiniest shin pad I've ever seen. I don't know how you would survive a kick with these. I'm so used to seeing Denise in the Ireland shirt, but I've got to say it's great seeing her in a Liverpool shirt too. What is a day in the life like at Liverpool?
I wake up pretty early in the morning. I like to get my day started early, 7 a.m. Leave my flat at 8 a.m. I grab breakfast and then I go down into the gym. We have a meeting always at 10 a.m. and then after that we go into the gym again at 10:30. On the pitch for 11:15 for maybe 2 hours. So I get home for like 3 p.m. and watch TV. That's what I do here.
And obviously there's been a huge amount of Irish players come over to Liverpool in recent years. What do you think it is about the club that attracts Irish players?
I think it's the name itself. It's a massive club, a lot of history. I think between the Irish and the Liverpool people, I think they're very similar people. They're all so nice. And I think once you have that feeling, you want to be here. So I think that attracts a lot of players.
What is your earliest football memory?
Playing on the streets with my brothers. Jumpers as goalposts, as we say, back in the day, and playing the mini World Cups out in the pitch.
Have you ever played any other sports besides football?
I did. Growing up, I played camogie. Wasn't a big fan of it. I hated being in the cold and getting hit with it early.
And how important do you think it is to have the women's game, publicised so much more now?
It's so important. As I said, if you see it, you can be it. And that's what we say for young kids. And now they can see us on TV. They can see me play for Liverpool here. And if they see that, then they believe that they can do it. And that's what we hope for them.